Hello everyone. Do you want to create a smooth and professional flipbook animation in PowerPoint that looks just like real page turning? In today's video, I am going to show you a modern, stylish and eye-catching flipbook effect that works perfectly for portfolios, photo album, creative showcases, and storytelling slides. If you want your presentation to instantly stand out, this effect is something you must learn. Select the rectangle shape and draw it. Remove the outline, duplicate it to form your logo block, and group them together. Turn on guides from the View tab to align everything accurately. Draw another rectangle at the center, remove its outline, and open Format Shape. Choose Gradient field, pick Preset Gradients, set the type to Linear, adjust the direction, and fine-tune the colors to get a smooth shaded page. Duplicate this rectangle and flip it horizontally to create the opposite page. Create a clean layout using multiple rectangles. Arrange them neatly and group them. Open Picture or Texture field. Select Stock Images. Search for Forest and insert the image. Add a title and a short description. Use the eyedropper tool on the logo to match its color with the design. Duplicate the entire slide using Ctrl D. Delete the exiting image. Duplicate the logo. Flip it horizontally using Arrange and move the text to the right side. Design a new layout using hexagon base structure. Group it. Insert a desert stock image using picture or texture field. Match the logo color again with eyedropper. Duplicate the first slide using Ctrl D and move it to the third position. Delete the image. Create a layout using a gear shape from SmartArt. Group it. Insert a forest image through picture or texture field. Reapply logo color using eyedropper. Duplicate the second slide using Ctrl D and move it to the fourth position. Remove the picture. Create a layout using simple rectangles. Group everything. Insert a desert image. And recolor the logo. Select all slides. Open the Transition tab and choose Page Curve. Start the slideshow from slide 1 to see your complete flipbook animation in action. And that's how you create a beautifully animated flipbook effect in PowerPoint. This process is simple, elegant, and perfect for portfolios, product showcases, photo album, and any presentation where you want your page to feel dynamic and modern. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next animation effect you want me to teach. Explore more creative PowerPoint design and animation technique right here on the channel. Thanks for watching.